Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Fisher Inn Resort and Marina. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Fisher Inn Resort and Marina located right on the shores of Islamorada. The Fisher Inn Resort and Marina is 14 miles from Key Largo. Guests will enjoy convenient beach access and a boat ramp as well as an outdoor pool and outdoor games on the property. Free Wi-Fi is included in all rooms of this Islamorada hotel and guests can also enjoy cable TV in the rooms. Some units offer a kitchenette so guests can prepare their own meals during their stay. Laundry facilities is available on site at the Fisher Inn Resort and Marina. Guests will also be able to enjoy various activities such as fishing, windsurfing, kayaking, paddle boarding and snorkeling during their stay. This oceanfront hotel is less than 10 minutes walk from the theater of the sea. The Holiday Isle Marina is also less than 1 mile away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.